Who here is excited? I know I am. Why am I so excited? Because I'm going to help you fix your vacuum cleaner. The instructions I'm going to give you here, just pay attention. It's easy, doesn't require much but effort. I even use a stick. Model number on this is a Dirt Devil Compact Power UD40270. Only thing special about it is a little bit more compact to use in a camper or motorhome. Here's the issue. Probably you're facing the same deal. I clean out all the filters. I clean out all the hair from the roller, yet the vacuum cleaner is still not sucking. You have to go deeper. Do you see that hose? Do you see that hose, that flexible hose in there? That runs all the way around your vacuum cleaner to where you can use your external hose attachments, runs through there, curves around, and then it goes into your canister. There's your problem. If you take off the panel from the bottom, don't be afraid to remove the rubber band to get that roller out of the way. You're going to see that that curve that hose takes, it's jammed. You need to get something in there like I'm doing here with this stick. I found a stick outside. You need to start digging up all the hair, whatever else, leaves, anything else that got caught up in there, because that's your problem. And I am pulling out compacted chunks. Now this is dangerous because you start a fire. Don't be scared, but you can also kill your vacuum cleaner by making it overheat when this happens. If you notice you don't have any activity, any suction power, something is blocking it. And if it's not as easy as just cleaning a filter or dumping the canister, then you need to investigate or you need to stop using that vacuum cleaner. But that's all it is. I used this stick and I jammed at it and I jammed at it. It got to a point where I did need to get a little bit creative with it because there's a curve, and to get to the curve, I had to find a curvy stick, but I did that. So I'm just showing you the label in case you have this same problem with this same exact model unit. Again, UD40270, but this is just a basic belt-driven, bagless vacuum cleaner. And once you put in the effort, the reward is amazing because you're not going to have to deal with this for a while. It really takes a long time before that hose gets so clogged up. This happens. You see that action, that spinning, that tornado inside the canister? I've got suction again. I put it all back together. It was super easy. 4 screws went into the plastic cover. And then the belt on the roller, put it back together. That was it. I'm back in business, ladies and gentlemen. How exciting is that? And how rewarding does it feel? Just be careful when you're breathing in. You're going to have a lot of dust. Hey, sorry to interrupt, but this is my first ever design for apparel and gifts. It's called What That Beepin' Is. You can get it on stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs. Just go to sillyreviews.com/merch. Check out the designs. You can help support me. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Leave a comment.